Whoa, it's summertime, man. I just let me come out to do some personal activities. Then what brought me online today is to talk about how to use your visiting visa to get your green card in America. That is very possible and 100% possible because lots of people are really doing that. Then first, I would like to explain to you guys that we have different ways that you can always come in with a visiting visa, and which one of the visiting visa that you can use is we have through invite, maybe by family members, which many of you have done that before now. And also we also have another means that you can use, like baby shower. I know many people will ask, baby shower, how true is that? How possible is that? It is 100% possible. People are doing it. The government has approved it. It is real. People are doing it. Then we also have another means that you can use, maybe through invite from a family friend who is graduating from the university, because they want you to stay around them to witness their graduation or to celebrate with them. That is also 100% possible. And also you can also come maybe through marriage. That also possible. You can use through all these means to get your visiting visa. So let's go straight to the point. This visiting visa, how can you get your green card using your visiting visa? This is 100% real and 100% true. You know, during the process, maybe you come around through your visiting visa, or maybe through leisure, which is still real and people are doing it. You know, all you need to do is, first, the number one thing, I'm going to give you guys different kind of points. Number one thing that can help you get your green card is make sure, number one point, make sure you go back home. Make sure you go back to your home country. Don't overstay. Don't overstay. Make sure you go back home to your home country. And also make sure that you don't commit any crime when you get there. Well, we'll be giving you guys the other points and the main details what brought us online on the second episode. So watch out for the second episode. Remember to give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Watch out.